Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Misty with a unique treasure and I am on wobbly space here, so I'll try not to touch my table too much. Okay, so what you're looking at is the return mentor swap of the stuffed envelope. Now, this isn't exactly what I sent her, and hopefully, and her is Susie, excuse me. I had a Susan and a Susie. And this is Susie Casper. And I hope that she will post what I did send her unless she regifted it, which is absolutely fine because that's what we do sometimes. And I love it. I'm honored if somebody shares my work. But so y'all can see actually what she did and came up with versus what I sent her. So in a letter, she had told me that the fabric, this piece of fabric here, which is this piece of fabric, I did not send enough. So this here she added, this is mine, and this she added. And so the one, like I said, I hope she sends it because I want you guys to see what she created out of her inspiration of seeing mine. And I'm super proud of her. I just think that this is amazing and I think she did a great job. So sorry that I did not send the right size. I was pretty exhausted when I packed up the project. It's the first time I've ever done that. March, it'll be a year that I've been doing swaps and racks, and I have been doing a lot of them that I've ever messed up. So sorry that it had to happen with you, but I'm really glad because I did see that you have a bit of background in it, especially based on what I'm about to share, the other gift that she sent my mother and I. And you'll see. But first, let me go ahead and show you. So these are two of the tickets from my porch prints that I sent to her in the kit. And I just love my porch prints. It's something, it's a place that you can go on Etsy, and also they have YouTube videos on how to use their products, which is really they've got a lot of good ideas, a lot of inspiration. This is not mine; it just came from her, so that was really a nice gift because I don't own anything like this. So these are adorable. And then in here, and this is a stuffed envelope swap, by the way. And here is where she grommeted this. Not grommet. I don't know what I was thinking. Y'all know what these are. It just went right on my mind. And we have bunches of Brads. I knew it'd come. I was like looking at them on my wall over here, hanging. Okay, and so she made a little book. Look at this. Isn't this just sweet? Look at all these images. I love these images of Santa. So thank you so much for these sweet little gifts. I love them. They're just really nice. And here's another one. And then this is one of the cards I sent her. And instead of putting it on both sides on the top, or maybe I didn't do both sides on this one. I think I just did it one side. She took a part of it, and maybe I did do it on both sides because here's more of the fabric. Anyways, I'm thinking as I'm talking, I apologize. She sent this sweet thing here, and it says peace. I mean, what a great idea just to stick that on there like that. You know, that's really awesome. And then look at this. This is her own. I love this. This is one of my favorite pieces of this. And just these little pins and things are just so sweet. And they're just such a great touch. And a tag here. Love the colors here. You did a wonderful job, Susie. I really appreciate this. And then here is that chocolate. I sent her chocolate, and I think she sent it back to me. And it's sealed with the wax seal. Isn't that cute? See the little heart? That's just awesome. That's adorable. That is adorable. And then here she took, this is like a hanger. You could hang this little thing anywhere, like if you had a mini tree or if you want to hang it on your refrigerator. I mean, they're just cute as can be. And then she put the little pocket on the back. Isn't that sweet? What a great idea. So she's inspiring too. And then let's see, this is hers, Christmas Bakery. Love this kind of stuff. So she really did try to stay with the theme. I sent her the chocolate. It was, the chocolate theme. And look at what she did. She really did stay with the theme. She did a great job. And that is it. Isn't it gorgeous? It's just gorgeous. This is hers. So she combined, look at the chocolate cake. Yummy. You did a wonderful job. Now let me show you what she did on her own. She sent a beautiful Christmas gift. First, you guys have to see the paper. She sent a bunch of this paper. Look how wonderful this tissue paper is. I love, love, love this. I mean, I'm serious. I'm not just saying that because I'm showing this on YouTube. I am in love with this tissue paper. And thank you so much. She was very generous with it. I mean, she didn't just wrap it up and, like, here, she can use this. I know she's going to like it. She gave me a stack. Okay, let me go ahead and bring over here. It's a little heavy. I mean, oh, I hope I can get this on camera. I don't have a zoom thing on this camera. We're going to update that in January 2020. Look at this adorable thing here. I love this one. I call them wands. Actually, I call them lily pops because I make these, not the wood. This is actually wood, guys. I make these out of paper, and they're just beautiful, and they're lily pops. My granddaughter's name's Lily. So enjoy. Isn't that beautiful? This is just wonderful. Thank you so much for that. But look at all the rest of this. I mean, there's so much to this. Look at these little, I got a rocking horse. I feel so special. Wish. Get these cards. Let's see. This is attached? Okay, I'm going to start with first, if I can pick this up. Oh, there's two of them. Look. There's shakers too. The other one was a shaker too. I hope it didn't get smashed in the mail. Look how adorable that is. That is just amazing. You did an amazing job. Isn't that wonderful? If you guys have any questions about this, let me know as far as, hey, is that wood? Is this or whatever? And I will try to answer them best I can. If not, I will have her answer the questions. Let's see, what is this? Here is another, oh, another one, look. Paper pad. What a wonderful idea. I make paper pads, but nothing like this. This is a wonderful idea. I love this old world feel. It's beautiful. Just gorgeous. I love this. Look at all these loose stars. Wow, 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 wow. I love, love, love this, guys. Look at this. Can you see this? One of my favorite parts right here. I love this. That lace is gorgeous. I just want to make sure because there's a lot of layers here that I'm not missing anything. It tucks. There's a little pocket here that the stuff was in. Let me flip this over. Oh, it is. Okay, I can actually look at this. Yay, I can take this off. Maybe. Hang on one moment. Okay, let's look at this for a minute. Here, this is one of those For You tags and a little button. This is really gorgeous layering. This is a very good example of layering. Do you see how many pieces of fabrics that she has here? I mean, there is a lot going on here, and it is gorgeous. This is very, very good. And look at that. She's very generous. Very, very generous. This is a beautiful piece. I appreciate your time and effort into making this. Another great example of layering. This one says wish. Little rocking horse. This is gorgeous. I am so honored to accept this from you, and thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is going out there. spent a lot of hours yesterday going and designing my living room and we have 2 front rooms, and this is going out there with it. And if you knew me, that is a big deal. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that little hat. Oh, and the little mini clip. I love those. The little miniature clip, guys. It's little. Look at my fingernail. It's smaller than my fingernail. It's so precious. Okay, let's see here. That's another one of those beautiful. Look at that. So maybe you can see it better here on the white. Isn't that so pretty? I will be putting all this back together. Check these out. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I don't want to... I need to get these on the bulb part so we can see them better. I want to read them. See them. I love these colors. These are just... I love these colors. Very rich. Beautiful. She took the time to cut these out. You know, I mean, this is just very nice. Even if she has a print to cut, it doesn't matter. Like, she just really put a lot of time and effort into this project. I used to think that, you know, things aren't so hard, and let me tell you, they are. They're wonderful to do. Look at this. Look how beautiful. Like, blended right in with this whole package. Everything for your Christmas tree. Look, a vintage piece. Wow, thanks, thanks, thanks. And look, you can't see it there, but look here. She even took the time to do the edges. These are details that when people send you things, I encourage you to really look. I mean, really pay attention, because they go get the stamp, get the punch, get the corner edgers, and they do this for you, you know. Thank you. I so appreciate it. Sometimes we just go through things so fast that we just miss so much. And I learn from watching others on YouTube. I watch hours of... Look at that! Oh my goodness. This is attached to this. Let's put... There's pockets everywhere on this. Look at this, guys. This is great. I love this. Look at the people. Fussy cut it out up there. Look. Oh my goodness. It's a glare. Can you guys see? That is fabulous. Oh, look at the little teddy bear. It looks like she went in and colored this in. You'll have to let me know if you did that on this, or was it the paper, because this looks like when I go in and I take my watercolor pencils and get in there and do things. Let's see. Bag o' Jacks. And the bell. Merry Christmas. Okay, let's see what a Bag o' Jacks is. There are things in here. Oh, look at the stars, and they sparkle. I just love this. This is such a treat. There is a lot of them in here too. She is so generous. This is my word for her. Like, generous. That's all I got to say. She's just... That's not all I got to say. I lied. Isn't that pretty? I love how that sparkles. Okay, let's put these back in here. I love that. Very inspiring, very creative. I love this. Great idea. Look at my little pile of gifts over here. Oh, looky here. Look at this gift. Joyful, merry, and blessed. You are correct. I am very joyful and hopeful. Merry, yes, you better believe it. And blessed. That is the biggest one right there. I'm very blessed. I'm blessed because of people like you in my life that I get to meet, and we get to enjoy each other. And oh, cinnamon. I love cinnamon. I love it. I love it. Take that, like, I don't know if this is the right one or not, but the cinnamon that has like the brown stuff all over it and some orange peels and put it in some water and boil it, and boy, your house will smell so good. Okay. I wish you guys can kind of see down in here because I'd love to see how maybe you can see a little bit down in there. You'll see there's a pocket down in there, a separate pocket. I was looking at this earlier, and let me tell you, this is very impressive. Pocket here, tuck spot here, pocket here. Let me see. Oh, it looks like something else is moving around. Oh, look at this. I love vintage. You know, vintage, shabby chic's my thing. Look at that. Thank you so much. 1916 calendar. I'm not done with you yet. I have a gift it's been on my heart and my mind, and I'm going to part with it. It's something I love that I made, and I'm just going to sell it. But I think I'm going to send it to you. Especially since I see you do this stuff, because we usually do what we like. I just want to make sure I didn't miss anything. Oh, this whole piece comes out. Oh, and I just took it out. Like, I took everything out like I was digging inside of a bag. I am so sorry. Look at this. Well, this is a good thing. It's empty, and so y'all can see this was inside of this. You know, she reminds me of a little bit our lovely Kathy O. Letterman. They got a little bit of the same style. Dear Santa, I have been very good this year. Hope you like the cookies. Love, Virginia. You know, this is just wonderful. Ever since I've been part of this group, I have felt a sense of belonging. I have felt like I have a place to grow. I am just so grateful. And I know that there are so many amazing groups out there, and I belong to a lot of them. And I can't participate in all of them all the time. Uh, this particular group is my home. It's my home. And I'm super, super grateful to people like you, Susie, and everybody that's part of this group. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you so much.